Your new chapter in London begins here at Pacific Court. Nestled in the vibrant neighborhood of Assembly Passage, this lavish student accommodation offers a diverse selection of ensuite rooms and studios, each thoughtfully designed to cater to your every need. At Pacific Court London, comfort meets convenience with an array of top-notch amenities. Picture yourself lounging in your private space, complete with a cozy bed, ample storage, and a study desk to fuel your academic ambitions. With free high-speed Wi-Fi and a well-equipped kitchen at your disposal, every day is a breeze. The property goes above and beyond to enhance your student experience. Whether you're unwinding in the outdoor social space, grabbing snacks from the vending machine, or tackling laundry day with ease, you will find everything you need right at your fingertips. Located just minutes away from top universities like Queen's Mary University and Hult International Business School, staying here means you'll always make it in time for all the early morning lectures. And when it's time to explore, you can visit restaurants like Craving Indian Stepney Green and Biryani House, as well as popular tourist attractions like the Tower of London and the London Eye. So why wait? Don't miss out on your chance to experience the best of student living in London. Book your stay at amberstudent.com today and embark on your next great adventure.